What's up guys, Afro Paradox here, and today we got something real special. We got the Epoch mechanical keyboard, or what some people like to call the modern Dolch mechanical keyboard, because that's what it was called when they had the engineering sample, or whatever you want to call it. So I got that in today, all the way from the other side of the world, literally the other side of the world. Thankfully, I was able to be in the spot sales, so I was able to purchase this before the pre-order starts for everybody else. So I'm one of the lucky ones, and I wanted to do an unboxing and see my first impressions, just show off a couple things, what exactly you're gonna get with this keyboard. So without further ado, please enjoy. So the Epoch mechanical keyboard is looking like an awesome keyboard. I can't wait to build it. So far, the only keyboard I ever built was a KBD Fans 75, and this is an awesome keyboard, very compact. So the Epoch mechanical keyboard is looking pretty sweet. It's almost dipping into the enthusiast mechanical keyboard building stuff, you know, with the daughter board, the gasket mounted, all the whole shebang, even carbon fiber in it. One of my favorite touches in it is the PCB that says Dolch.cr. Currently, I am waiting for all the parts to come in so I can build the mechanical keyboard. The parts are as followed. Number 1, Holy Pandas from Drops. Number 2, so this could go, I have 2 choices for it, C3 stabs or Nabuki stabs. Both are a first for me, so we'll see how that goes. And I already have the keycaps. I'm gonna use a Kuro/Shiro Enjoy PPT keycaps. I want to use Modern Dolch when it does come in, so I can put that on and complete the whole keyboard. But we're gonna have to wait, and yeah, that's about it. So if you want to see me build the keyboard, just subscribe so you won't have to miss it. And yeah, that's it. Peace.